going on, guys? TR Man 2720 here. It's been a while since I did a video, a couple of weeks, so I figured I'd come on and break a box of cards for you. Everything's been going pretty good. Just have been really busy, and I haven't had a chance to really get a chance to upload anything. I've posted some cards on Twitter, but I haven't did a video in a couple of weeks. So went out and got a box of this new 2014 Bowman Chrome Jumbo. I think it's the only, I don't know if they make regular 36 pack boxes. This is the 10 pack Jumbo box. So guaranteed 4 hits. So let's see what we get. May have to do 2 videos here. I don't know. See how fast we get through it. Jumbo packs. Alright, here we go. Pack number 1. Some pretty good stuff coming out of here, man. Let's see what we get here. I see some color already in the middle there. Marion Gracie, rookie. Derek Carr. Christian Jones. Will Sutton. Antoine Exum. Mike Evans. Mike Davis. We got a Jackson Jeffcoat. And here we go with our first colored cards here. Ahmad Dixon. The black border. Not numbered. And we got a Jeff Matthews rookie card. Jeff Matthews, future quarterback possibly for the Falcons. Then we have a, I don't know if this is orange or red, of a Craig Lawson for the Jaguars, and this is numbered out of 58 out of 199. Then we have a Lewis Nix. Base of Adrian Peterson. Base of Trent Richardson. Base of Julius Jones. Or Julius Thomas, I'm sorry. AJ Green. Base. Kendall Wright. Base. Andre Johnson. Base. Cordell Patterson, not a rookie anymore. That is first base card. Maurice Jones-Drew. And looks like we got our first hit of, this is out of 499 of Morgan Breslin. Morgan Breslin. And that's numbered 349 out of 499. Blue. That's actually not a hit. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, we had an auto. What do we do? Then we have a Pierre Garcon. It looks like an orange ice. This is out of 50. 7 out of 50. Nice card right there. That's a nice short print. And over here, and we got our first mini of Lewis Nix. I think there's a mini in each pack. Robert Quinn and Monty Ball. First pack. So pretty cool pack. Nice little inserts in there. On to the next one. Alright, we have a Rajan Neal. Cody Hoffman. Then we got a Trey Mason for the Rams. DeAnthony Thomas. Chiefs. Then we got the Zach Mettenberger, quarterback for the Tennessee Titans. Then we have a Cyril Richardson for the Bills. Trey Millard for 49ers. Here's a Javion Clowney, rookie. Put his to the side. Here's Jared Amberderis. We have a CJ Fielded Doris. I can't pronounce his name. I don't know. For the Texans, though. Damian Williams, Dolphins. And we have a Hardim Carey for the Bears. Reggie Bush, base. Adrian Foster, base. I'm just going to go through the base. Giovanni Bernard, Robert Griffin. Here's the Griffin. Kiko Alonso, Teron Mathieu, E.J. Manuel, and we have an Aaron Murray auto. Very nice. And that is not numbered. Aaron Murray refractor auto. Nice little first hit there. Then we have a Jeff Matthews and a Lamar Miller, Tavon Austin, and Calvin Johnson. And the mini fell on the floor. This is Bern Renner. All right, pack 3. We'll just zip through the base cards. I'll show you the rookies. All right, I want to get halfway through this. We got a Bradley Roby for the Broncos. Kyle Van Noy for the Lions. We got a Taylor Lewan for the Titans. Hardim Carey again for the Bears. Damian Williams for the Dolphins. CJ, oh man, I can't pronounce this guy's name. Five Dorance, I don't know. Lewis Nix, Texans. Jared Abeniers. I'll get used to these guys as the year goes on, but saying their names. Stephen Morris. James White. Eric Ebron. Tommy Rees for the Redskins. Ryan Matthews. T.Y. Hilton. Bernard Hopkins. Deshaun Jackson. Andre Ellington. Jordan Cameron. Eddie Lacy. And we have a die cut of Dez Bryant. It's a pretty cool looking card. Die cut. And they put these cards backwards, but they're just black bordered. Damian Williams, Dolphins, Cam Newton. Mini is Paul Richardson, Rob Gronkowski, and Julio Jones. Okay. Jeff Matthews for the Falcons. Ahmad Dixon, Cowboys. Alan Hearns, Jags. Deion Buchanan for the Cardinals. George Atkinson III, Raiders. Jake Matthews, Falcons. A.J. McCarron, rookie, for the Bengals. Set to the side. Then we have Khalil Mack for the Raiders. First round draft pick. Greg Robinson. Deion Bradley. And we have another Bren Renner. And Adrian Hubbard. Then our base cards are Matthew Stafford, Terrell Pryor, LaShawn McCoy, Noshawn Moreno, Kobe Fleener, Terrence Williams, Percy Harvins, and we have an A.J. McCarron. I don't know whether it's an auto, and it is. Very nice. A.J. McCarron, not numbered, but it is an auto. Very nice hit right there. On card auto, refractor, A.J. McCarron for the Bengals. Nice hit. Next we have another Hardim Carey and E.J. Manuel, and there goes my mini on the floor again. And then we have Aaron Dobson and Wes Welker. And the mini is Flashy Sestrunk. Do one more pack. Then I'm going to stop it and I'll do part 2. I don't want to run out. It's cut off in the middle and then it doesn't tape the whole video. Alright, we got Stephen Truitt, Steelers, Cialis Red, Redskins, Michael Sam, Rams, Jarvis Landry, the Dolphins, Jalen Saunders for the Jets, Adrian Hubbard, Green Bay, Ryan Renner, Deion Bradley, Jalen Saunders again, black border, and then we have a orange paper of, this is out of $2.99 of Robert Herron, Jarvis Landry again, Silas Reed again. We have a Michael Floyd base, Demarius Thomas base, Frank Gore base, Jake Locker base, Russell Wilson, and then we have an Adrian Foster out of 99. This is 15 out of 99. It's a jersey of Adrian Foster. So we got our first relic out of there. Next we have a Dequise Denard, and this is numbered out of 499, blue border. And then we have an Alshon Jeffrey blue border, and this is out of 12 out of 99. So it looks like the veterans are a little bit of a lower short print than the rookies. Then we got a mini of James White, Golden Tate, and Jordan Reed. Alright guys, I'm going to stop it right there because I don't think I'll get through another pack. I don't want to take a chance, and I'll come back with part 2. Alright guys, see you in a bit.